Hello guys and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to use the tachymeter function on your Omega Swatch watch. Now if you're new to the channel and enjoy this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, and also check out our website vintageradar.com because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale. Link in the description below. So guys, you might have seen on the bezel on your Omega Swatch watch or on other chronometer watches, so chronograph watches, that you have this tachymeter function. Using this function, you could actually say the speed you are going with. And let's say you have a fixed distance of 1 kilometer. So this is very important. So let's say I will start the chronograph and I want to see how fast I can go and make that 1 kilometer. So if I were to say pause it right here, that means it took me 9 seconds and 4/10 of a second in order to go 1 kilometer. And that means that my speed is almost 400 kilometers per hour. The second case, if it took me, let's say, 30 seconds in order to go 1 kilometer, that means that I have a speed of 120 kilometers per hour. If it took me a full 60 seconds, so 60 seconds in order to go 1 kilometer, that means that I have a speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So 1 minute, 1 kilometer equals 60 minutes, 60 kilometers. And that you can actually see that the faster I go and make that 1 kilometer, the higher the speed I need to have. So if it only took me about 7 seconds, I would have had a speed of 500 kilometers per hour. So this is something very fixed. So you need a fixed distance of, let's say, 1 kilometer so that you can actually transform everything from seconds to kilometers per hour. So this is the tachymeter function on your Omega Swatch watch or on other watches. Once again, this is something that you will most likely never use, but still quite cool to know the function of it. That was the quick tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you on the next one.